you guys, it's day 4 of 40 days grind, and yesterday there was something problem with the line maintenance, so because of that problem yesterday we were unable to do the live stream fully, so I'm kind of a bit sorry about that. Hey, what's this? First comment says streamer boost your live video with Piggy, remove this space. What space do you? Oh, I get it, but no, it's just a username of mine. That's all. So let's so it's day 4 of our day 40 challenge. So I mean almost 10% of the 40 challenge days has been completed. So yeah, let's have some conversation for like straight something like 5-6 minutes, and after that we're moving to or continuing the challenge thing again. So due to yesterday some technical problems with light, I wasn't able to do the live stream fully, so and I'm actually a bit sorry about that, but I guess this to hope that the light doesn't gonna be cut off during the stream, because yeah, we got no any preparation for that, but soon in future I will try my best to manage it. So basically today is a day 4 of day 40. As you guys can clearly see that on day 1 we just do download the software from Blackmagic of DaVinci Resolve, and after the day 2 we just do setup and explore the basic features. And yesterday it was day 3 where we just about to start learning the DaVinci software live with you guys, and I was just in learning the basic features like a media page of the DaVinci, but due to some technical problems, as I did already mention you guys that many times before, because of the technical issue I wasn't able to do the live stream fully, but and I'm sorry for that. But like I told you many times on my previous stream that up to day 4, day 5 and day 6 I'll be live only for an hour, so I'm a bit sorry about that. But from starting of day 7, day 8 we'll be doing live at a duration of around something like 2 or 2 hours half maximum. So it's been already 2 minutes. Let's have a bit more conversation. As you guys can clearly see, I had already uploaded 2 lives, and here is the second video. I mean day 2 of live stream with live uploading over here, and almost 16% has been already completed, and I guess it's gonna be took around like 32 minutes late 32 minutes to upload that video carefully. So yeah, seriously, if you do miss out the streams, then you guys surely can watch on YouTube too. I'm uploading, and also I've been told you many times that I'll be also uploading the summary of like day 1 live, day 2 live, and yeah, I was done all about the editing parts, but due to I had so much busy during the daytime, and obviously because of those busy time I wasn't able to upload that. But for sure today or within tomorrow early morning the video is gonna be uploaded, so don't worry about that. So I guess today it's day 4, so without counting this I'll be already done like a 3 live. But yeah, yesterday I was a bit short because due to some technically problem I wasn't able to do live properly or clear fully, so I do again apologize for that thing. And right now it's almost 4 minutes has been now, so let's talk with like 2 minutes more. So basically today we are just kind of try to manage to learn about media page. If you do learn the media page like about an interval how, then for sure we will also exploring the card page too. So yeah, yesterday as I did already told you that we'll be learning live we'll be learning the live DaVinci Resolve from where is it. There are so many videos, yeah, from Stacey Paris. Shout out to him, and also thank you for him, for because of him it was possible to live to learn free. So many use and thanks to him. Because of him it wasn't possible to be alive and make such a good video. So yeah, I will also watch his many previous videos, but he does to really explain clearly and goodly, and I do so because of that reason Yes, you can clearly see there are so many videos, but I'm choosing the guy. I'm choosing this guy.
Totally use the free version.
So yeah, it's almost 5 minutes has already been passed. So now within a minute or 2 3 minutes later, we will be doing or learning the live thing properly. So I guess you guys can clearly find a bit difference between the day one and day four. I guess I've been just noticed that my English speaking conversation skill has also been improved a bit. Hope that it's gonna improve even more further by day life. So yeah, up to day 40, I guess I will be a bit more good and bit more gonna be speak fluently at the end of my stream. So yeah, obviously and I wasn't part of creating both Instagram and my face account, but because of some technical errors, I wasn't able to create mine. And also, I was due to I'm in Nepal, PayPal isn't available, so I'm trying my best to create Payoneer account. I guess so. Payoneer account is almost done. So from tomorrow, day 5 or day 6, you will be seeing uh what do we say? What do you say? Donation mark or what? Yeah, you guys are gonna see a donation mark on this live screen. So 6 minutes has already passed, so why not let's talk for the like 40 50 seconds, and after that we will be getting 2 hours live without any wasting time. So today is officially day 4, so don't worry guys that I'm gonna be uploading that video right tomorrow early morning, or if it's possible then I will be uploading on later on right this today. Because of the technical problem yesterday we were unable to do the live properly, so I'm actually a bit sorry about that, but hope that that same thing doesn't gonna be repeat again, and we will be able to do our or complete our live properly. So I already told you already day one live stream has been already published on YouTube. So if you do want to see that video, then you guys can. I also have the YouTube link. I will already provide my YouTube link on the front of this tweet. So make sure to go and follow me on over there too. So oh my god, it's almost 8 minutes. So I guess now it's the time to learn that thing on live. So without any wasting time, let's go to but at first let's but at first let's go to why is my window signals not showing over here? I guess it might be, I guess it's showing right now, right? mm, okay, so right now I'm in display capture, right? Okay, now let's go to this app DaVinci Resolve where we were learning a video live. Guys, actually, I'm a bit sorry for my voice. Not, I guess you guys are not hearing my voice much probably. Actually, right now I got like some thing stuck in my throat, and I'm kind of not being able to speak properly. So I guess of that, things gonna be healed soon. So as you guys can clearly see now, the DaVinci things has appeared on my mini page. So with that, we'll be aiming for editing the software live. Oh my god, it's taking a bit time, but yeah, you guys can clearly see now. Why the heck? Now let's go to window capture, project manager, DaVinci. Yeah, so you guys can clearly see now the DaVinci user page has been appear right now over here. So let's go with this untitled project number 1, where we are doing main things like what we did. Let's maximize it. Oh, we're on what, daily base page, right? Okay, so today also so guys, yes, our tweets. So guys, before reading out to launching program, I just want to make one thing clear, that I'm a bit sorry for the delays of my video, but I'm sure that tomorrow early morning, or right after some time, like 2-3 hours later, the video is gonna be uploading, like the summary of day 1 stream and day 2. No, day 1 stream is almost done, and I guess there is something I got to fix, but I will do that thing a bit quick and upload right now. And also today live's also gonna be hour long like usual, so without any wasting time guys, let's head out to the learning thing. Almost and as you guys can clearly see on my channel dashboard, almost 34% of this video has been completed. So I guess within the end of this live, this video might be published day 2 of live. So okay, here is the channel of C Defense. Without this guy, I guess this live stream was not possible, but yeah, I'm kind of bit very thankful for him. And also in future, if I do start to earn money or make money, then I'm for sure I'm going to buy his course, because the amount of thing he had was provided for free is truly unmatchable. Like many other creators who just literally do pay us, and literally it is nothing like this and I waste time, but I will just believe this guy, that this guy does literally so much properly, and the way it is kind of truly understandable. So I guess the talking thing has already been more than 12 minutes, so without any further time wasting, let's head out to this.
And this is really the reason why we teach Resolve and Ground Control, is because our mission is to encourage and empower people to create things that they can make. Right now, DaVinci Resolve is like the greatest tool for that. So I'm really excited that you're looking into it. Let's get into the software, shall we? By the way, I'm using DaVinci Resolve 20 for this video. In the future, whether you're using DaVinci Resolve 20 or 20.5 or 21 or whatever comes out next, 99% of what we're going over is going to apply perfectly. But if you're on Resolve 21 or something, probably not a big deal. Another thing to mention is that I am using the studio version of Resolve, but everything that I'm going to show you is in the free version. Okay? So don't be asking me in the comments, is this all the free version?
So as you guys can clearly hear that we just gonna teach all the basic features, all the things that are relatively weird we can also be able to do in free version. So yeah, the reason behind why I do pick up this guy is because that he's literally mentioning that thing, that we'll be able to do all the things we will be doing on this video on a free version of DaVinci Resolve. So if you do find any more interesting and more for want to do advanced editing, then obviously you're gonna be purchasing a studio version 2. But right now I'm just 17 years old and doesn't have that much money right now, so I'm literally you guys can clearly call me as a broke person, because right now I'm just 17, and basically the fact that I don't even have my own bank account right now. The bank which I will be using in future is my brother account. So yeah, when I will be going to make money a bit, then for sure I'm gonna pay this guy, because this guy is truly helpful. Literally just mentioned us many times that this guy will be teaching us everything which we're gonna be able to do in a free version. So yeah, that thing means a lot, right? So yeah, I just did stop that video just to know that you guys also do understand me very well. But right now my English conversation skill is a bit bad, so that's why you guys gonna be finding a bit difficulty to understand my language. So but hope that in further of my challenges, like on day 6, day 7, that I hope that my English speaking conversation skill also gonna be improved by a lot. So I guess on that day, I guess you guys can clearly do understand my conversation skill, like pronouncing things and many more.
here, this is called your project manager. This is how you navigate to your different project files. You can see I have some of these older projects here. Yours might look more like this, and that's totally fine. But here is where we open past projects and make new projects. And all of the projects here, these live in our project library. We can browse our project libraries over here. And by your free version, do you even listen? So when you open Resolve, this is the first thing that comes up. Now this panel right here, this is called your project manager. This is how you navigate to the project files. You can see I have some of these older here. This, and that's totally fine. But here is where we open past projects and make new projects. And all of the projects here, these live in our project library. We can browse our project libraries over here. And by default, you'll be working on your local libraries. Now, what the heck does that mean? So a library is just a database of your projects that lives on your system. It's basically just a folder that has your projects in it. Resolve is kind of picky about where that folder goes. It always wants to have access to just that folder. You can't just put projects willy-nilly all over the landscape. So by default, it's probably on your system drive. You can hit this little I and then click on Open File Location. And so for me, it's under C Users, KC Documents, Resolve Disk Library. And if you go through a whole bunch of the folders, you'll find all of your projects. Now, I wouldn't worry about this too much. Here's why. The only time you're going to need to open up a project is in Resolve, and Resolve knows where that is. If you want to save a project that's not in that library, maybe you want to save it and give it to somebody else, or you want to save it as a backup or something like this, all you have to do is right-click on your project and go down to Export Project. That will let you save a copy of your project to your desktop or to an external drive or to cloud storage or whatever.
So did you guys, I guess you guys read properly that while we were doing project, if we do like to, it is like a home page where we will be storing or creating any project. Like you guys can clearly see that Abby has already created 2 projects. But if you do want to create any extra object, then simple, you have to click the right click of the mouse and just put new project. And then as you guys can clearly see, I'm gonna write this new project name lead true. So guys, you can clearly see, let's go to this one button where we will be seeing all the local project page. So yeah, when you click this one, so you can clearly see here, we can clearly see the new project I just created, where I will rename it to limbs 2. So yeah, so this is the page where we'll be seeing all the projects that are likely saved or not automatically saved. But if you do the want to save, or if you, I mean, just in other way, I just wanted to tell you guys that you can, this page is where you can do literally create or delete the project. So basically, if you do want to delete the project, then simple press over here and just, I don't know what this setting is about, but this is where we will be able to import or export the project. If you do really want to export the project, then very simple, export the project. I mean, the thing export refers to is that it will be officially available on your folder, where we'll be able to share or provide access to anyone, like sending or using that project on other platforms, like on sending those to another people, or like saying or like uploading that done project on social media like Instagram, TikTok, and many more. So yeah, on this one export, it will be automatically saved. So yeah, look, links to write this one over here. So officially the project has been saved. So let's go to is my thing showing on live? Okay, so right. So we got to do display capture, so to show you guys live. Isn't the media finishing? just wait for a minute, guys. I guess my folder is not being seeing light, but just let me take it. Just let me make sure it clear. I think. Oh my god, what the heck is this? OBS Studio. Primary monitor. If I do open this one, where is this? Is this file showing? Not right. So I guess I began to turn on this one. Project manager and project manager. Okay. Well, if I will be doing this, is see on. Okay. So oh my god, what? I guess I need to fix a bit. So I guess with that, okay. See guys, now I guess like so I just already show you that guide. I just saved or export already, and just saved the file was new project I just created, and there is links too, so you guys can clearly see over here, right? Let me make some so that you guys can clearly see. Let me zoom it a bit. Oh my god, how can I be able to be this one I was talking about, guys? So you guys can clearly see. Here we will be able to open. So at first let's open this file location. So over here you guys can clearly see, right? So let's stop that thing. I'm gonna capture JSON too. Let's bring project manager. So you guys can you guys do really see that literally on this page not literally let's close this. To open this, we got to go on this icon, this home icon, so we will be able to see all the projects that will be created or doing the project. And basically this option does maximize or minimize the size of this project. Like literally I'll put this here, look how small they are saying. And also if you do like this, then obviously look how big they are seeing right now. But I guess this big thing is a bit messy, so let's this has and put it up to over here. It's meant for very good. So this also gonna be like this one, but I do prefer this one because it's a bit easy to click. And also we can literally source over here the project name, right? Like let's write limbs. You guys can clearly see the limbs over here, like LM2. Yeah, so yeah, basically we'll be learn a bit. So let's leave this right now. So yeah, this is where we will be able to create the new project and also export the object, or also kind of save the project directly to the folder of our laptop or anything. So where we will be able to access the video which will be just edited on the project. So let's close this one. So that's all I did understand. I guess you guys also do even understand more than me, but that's the thing. I just understand what he was kind of saying, talking about. So let's go into Chrome. Not project manager, it's Chrome. Okay.
Whatever you want to do. That's going to make a DRP file, and short for DaVinci Resolve Project. This is a great way to do things, but just know by default all of your projects live in your library, which is a folder that Resolve knows about on your system. You can have multiple libraries and multiple folders. We'll get into that some other time. Now, you also have network libraries and cloud libraries. A network library is for a studio that has kind of a server and all that stuff. You probably don't need to worry about that. Cloud libraries are shared projects. These are projects that you can actually share with other editors that have access to your cloud account. And so just like we have this folder on our local library on our system, we can have a folder that lives on the Blackmagic website, basically, that you can all kind of share and access, and it's really slick. If you want a video about that, let me know, and we'll talk more about it. But for now, all we really have to do is go down here to where it says New Project, and let's make a new project. You also have network libraries and cloud libraries. A network library is for a studio that has kind of a server and all of that stuff. You probably don't need to worry about that. We have this folder on our local library on our system. We can have a folder that lives on the Blackmagic website, basically, that you can all kind of share and access, and it's really slick. If you want a video about this stuff, we'll talk more about it. But for now, all we really have to do is go down here to new project. Let's make a new project. Also have network libraries and cloud libraries. A network library is for a studio that has kind of a server and all that stuff. You probably don't need to worry about that.
Okay. Oh, I guess I also did bit forget to mention you guys that not only you got to like press right and go over here to make a new project, or like making a new folder, or just kind of importing project that we already created, or many more. You can also do press easily that you guys can clearly see new project, right? So you guys can also create a new project by uh, clicking this option, and also yeah, right, like whatever name you write. So I'm like mmm, and look, the officially the new project has been already created, right? Look, so like with this is a four project I just created. So yeah, you guys can also create a new project by clicking this option too. So basically the guys has also already explained us that. Let's increase this size a bit to look a bit cool, right? Yeah. I don't know what this is project right about, so I don't know what is. Let's leave it later. We're gonna find out it soon, a bit later. Okay, so basically the guys has told that this is a network. This on our home page there will be gonna seeing these three options. First one is local, second one is network, and the third one is cloud. So basically on this network version, I don't know what it just said, but we'll be able to see the access, something like that. I also didn't get it what he was trying to say, but it's not that much be necessary as these two, as these two. So let's flip to network vision. So here's the cloud. Basically basically this cloud is the thing where we do provide access of our project to other editors who are also do working on this software DaVinci Resolve. So basically it's saying that if you do connect our cloud and just do our project, then it will be automatically available on the page of I don't know what is it I guess on the website of DaVinci Resolve. So where all the peoples or all other editors just gonna have access to that video. So I mean on this cloud, this is the page, or this is the thing, this is the features of this update where we will be able to either together or provide our editing thing or editing access to other editors too. So that's all. Basically in simple way, it's saying that in this cloud version, basically we are going to provide our editing access to other editors too. That's all. Nothing to that much learn about. But yeah, I don't know what this network is that it does tell me about. I guess I gotta need again to do this video, but I guess it just already mentioned that this is not that much important as compared to this two. So let's leave it now. I hope that we'll see that things on later. So let's close the project and we get back to the media page. I guess I guess let's go back to the media page. Okay, what is this? Let's call it this. I don't know which page are we right now, but let's try this real quick. So I guess we are now on the official DaVinci where you will be learning the live. So yeah, this is a media page. So I guess now the all thing that is just kind of digital that has been completed. So I guess now we will be further moving on DaVinci Resolve media page. So let's see how further you will be able to explain that thing. Not project manager. Okay. I guess my OBS is showing this, right? Okay. I don't know why my bitrate is gonna be swing a bitrate in color. I guess there is something problem with that, but let's hope that problem is gonna be solved a bit soon. So I guess, oh my god, it's almost 30 minutes already since we just like talk or so. I don't know what I'm saying. I mean to say that it's almost 30 minutes has already been passed since we do our live. So yeah, now we do only have remaining time something like 29 minutes maximum. So without any wasting time, let's go back to this slides. We will teaching us about more and more things.
Magic website, basically, that you can all kind of share and access project. And we're going to call this Intro to Resolve 25, because that's the year that I'm recording this, and it's going to ask you for a media location. For now, let's just not worry about that. Let's just leave it at default and hit create. Once you do that, it's going to open up the Resolve interface. This is where we actually have to start doing things. But first, a little tour. Most of this interface, like everything within the red box, is actually going to switch out depending on what page you're on in Resolve. Here we have the pages, and as I click on the different pages, that's going to switch out my interface, and kind of like we were talking about earlier, it switches it to kind of like a different app, but it's not a different app. This is all Resolve, and it all kind of shares the same project, which is really slick, and we'll get into that here in a little bit. But that's the first thing I want you to do, is go down here and just switch these pages and get used to switching out that interface. But where we're going to start is this far left page, the media page. All the way over here, click on media for me. And now all of our panels have switched out for the panels for the media page. Now, something to mention here is that this isn't just switching a layout. This is actually switching into kind of a different mode. Even though there are common panels in between the pages, it's not just a different workspace, it's actually like a different mode of creating. So let's start talking about what the heck the media page is. Well, each page has really a specific job. The media page's job is to manage media. And so this is a perfect mode to put Resolve in when you don't have any media in your project and you're looking to put some in there. So a little tour of the interface. In the upper left, we have this panel, which is our media storage panel. This is a way to navigate
Okay guys, you see just told that this app is just literally all in one. Like literally you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages. Yeah, literally when we gonna move it to like this page, this edit page, this what should we say, this non this code page, this edit page, this fusion page, this color page, this audio page, and this deliver page. Like literally it's like literally it just feels like that we are also kind of moving to a new software things or what, because literally you can see that there's different layout over here. Like you can just see how many different things that does matters over here, right? Literally we just see we are just seeing that so many things over here, but this is literally all in one app. This is literally all in one. Basic thing that this does, one of the thing basic advantage key that does, it provides better as compared to Adobe apps softwares is case that this app does literally provide so many things that are all in one. Literally you guys can clearly see like switching on this one feels like you were kind of switching on different apps, right? But literally this is literally all in one, and these are all be able to be accessed on the editing project or the project you're doing right now. So if you just example, if you just literally I'm doing over here, you can clearly see the name of this project. It's LIMS2, right? So basically if you do import anything over here like something weird, then obviously we'll not be able to only import over here. We just able to literally call the video, or sorry about that, call the edit or clips. You did the clips of same look. The project is literally same, as you can clearly see there. Look on this color face, on this audio face, and also at last this step basically. So yeah, in simple way that this app, this software does provide everything, like from editing to coding to fusion to color to many things, like delivering. This does provide mainly all the assets on the project which we'll be doing around. So basically if we're doing a project that is, you can clearly see over here is LIMS2, right? So that's why basically this software does provide that everything like all in one. So basically we're not moving to different software. This is literally all in DaVinci Resolve. It's just basically a different pages, a different on different pages where we'll be able to do or modify many things like color, audio, Fusion, and many more. This many more, which are literally the same project. So I mean the same project is gonna be like maintain, colorize, cut off, edit, and many more on this app. So we got not need to install any other third-party softwares. Like in Adobe you gotta need to install so many softwares like Photoshop, After Effects, Premiere Pro, and many more just to edit one video. But in this app, in this software, you just gotta need to do all the things like in one without leaving this app. Literally you guys can clearly see so many pages, right? So yeah, it's basically all in one. So that also one thing that he just told me about. So and after that he just said that this one is a media page where we'll be inserting all the things from a file. And basically I don't know what does that guy say. So let's see and watch the video more properly.
Looking to put some in there. So a little tour of the interface. In the upper left, we have this panel, which is our media storage panel. This is a way to navigate on your system to any media that you want to bring into Resolve. So I'll just navigate to some media here. And once you tour of the interface, in the upper left, we have this panel, which is our media storage panel. This is a way to navigate on your system to any that you want to bring into Resolve. So here, once you find the folder up here, then you can actually preview the media just passing over any of these thumbnails. This is what we call hover scrub, because you hover over this thumbnail and it scrubs the video. That means it just moves that playhead back and forth so you can see what's going on. This is a great way to be able to preview the footage that you have before you bring it into your project. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, even though we're looking at this media here, the media isn't actually imported into the project. We haven't told Resolve to use the media. We're really just kind of using Resolve to go and find it. But we haven't said anything about wanting to edit anything or combine clips together or change them. So in order to change anything or work with...
So guys, I know that actually I just kind of downloaded my I just want to say that actually I just tried to download the thing. We be able to doing that thing on live over with him, like following this guy, and he just did uploaded or mentioned the link on this video where it will be this. Sorry, actually I mean to say that you also do drop out the link of this video sample where you will be editing, where you're gonna be editing live. So we will be also to do for the same part. But when I do get that link does gonna that video to get access that video is gonna be cost something around like how many dollars. Actually I did just forget, but yeah, just I guess as I guys did already mention it many times before that I'm literally broke and I didn't have that much cost to buy or access those things. So yeah, after that I was not able to get the same clip as this guy is teasing us right now. But I hope that we're also gonna find out another editing clips through many sites which are literally providing you for free just to do and learn live with him. Okay, but I'm a little bit sorry that I will not be able to access the same video as this guy is editing right now, because he just provide some money over there to get the access of that video. So right now, as I do many times mention you earlier, that I'm not that much rich and I'm not that much earning money right now. So basically I'm a civil engineering student, and right now I just finished my exam, and due to I had so many weekends all day, so with that, why not I just kind of did learn new skill when there was that much free time. So that's the reason why I choose to edit. And I did already mention that my future aim is to be a content creator, so the editing is gonna be play a vital role fulfilling my dreams. So because of that I'm editing right now, I'm learning editing right now. So, and also the reason I stopped the video is that I will not be having the same video as the guy is using as a sample one, but I will try to find out the clips that we will be also downloading for free, because many websites are kind of providing the editing clips for free, no, so that's why if the clip was kind of bit free, then obviously I'm gonna download that clip and learn as the same guys as this guy was doing. But right now I say I do it many times already. Many times means that I'm kind of broke and now I'm not earning, and I'm just around age of 17. So yeah, to that I will not be able to get the access of the video sample that the guy will be teaching us. But let's try finding new clips over here. Okay, so we'll be doing all the clips. We'll be doing all the things in this live, like finding clips to importing that clip on media, in project, and many more. So at first let's search like editing clips download for free, for edit clips down for free. So yes, you guys can clearly see here so many videos, right? So let's go to this one where you'll be providing us the video which are in the 4K quality. I guess this one is a bit, yeah, let's go over here. Yes, say that no watermark. Okay. Okay. Oh, so you have the many options that we will be able to download, like full HD, full HD, and also 4K. The duration of this video is 17 seconds. So let's try finding on others also. See follows and distributed public space. I don't know, I guess these are probably the system chats, I guess, right? Because there are two chats already, and also I guess these are not the real account of the person. I don't know what is it, but I guess I'm gonna find it soon. The first thing it has so that hey streamer boost your live vibes with Piki.com. Remove the space. I don't know what this guy saying. It's telling me to remove the space, and also here same. Remove the space. Remove the, what is this guys are kind of mentioning me to? I don't know what is that, but let's see that on later. But at first, let's head out to download the clips which we'll be doing. Download DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve. Oh my god, you guys can clearly see DaVinci Resolve is quite a bit popular. Well, let's download this one. Only 5 seconds. Yeah, you guys can clearly see it's already downloaded. So we'll be able to doing what? This walking one. This one is not that much good. Instagram. That's it for Instagram. Let's at first guys, let's seek for a video which will be at a duration of around like something 20-30 seconds, so it's gonna be easy to download. So wait, preview for DaVinci Resolve, call out lower third titles. You found about this YouTube. Oh my god, I just leave it right now. I guess these clips are not that much. Let's go for 4K videos. Let's 4K videos. Why isn't this working right now? Oh, sorry. Let's try downloading this one, and this one. Okay. No. Let's. Oh, I guess. Let's download these two clips. 4K SD. Download. So you guys can clearly see. I just leave it right now. So you guys can clearly see the download process is going on. Also, let's download another clip too. So we'll be doing highway. And there any video that kind of related to highway? Yeah, this one, right? No, this one. I guess this one is best. Let's check out this one too. So you guys can clearly see the download, the clips that we will be editing on DaVinci Resolve are on downloading process. So yeah, I don't know what is this. Why is taking a bit long? Let's redo this one. Hey, what's wrong? Why not the video is showing on? Let's go with 4K. Highway. 463. Yeah, this one I was kind of talking about. Okay, download 4K. So as you guys can clearly see, I guess with this one I almost downloaded three video clips. So let's see. Yeah. So let's wait for this one and let's head out to the editing things again. Okay. So I guess for before since the downtime is gonna take us a bit time, so why not let's have a bit chat. Oh guys, I'm sorry. Oh, I also did forget to edit the information. This one is not a day 2, this one is day 4, I guess. This 40 day. Now it's oh, I guess I did not even to this one. I guess I also from tomorrow. I guess I will also gonna need to leave some message and pin it just up to uh make sure you guys that understand this a bit faster than what I'm doing on. So yeah, don't worry about that. From tomorrow day 5, I will be doing that thing too. So I guess today is day 4, right? Yeah, today is day 4. So you guys can clearly see downloading is almost done. Alright, oh my god, it's already 48, about to be 15 minutes, right? Look guys, oh my god, it's already 50 minutes. Oh my god, so it's been almost 50 minutes past since I started the stream, right? Oh god, I don't know how fast the time is gonna moving. Literally, we have not learned a bit that much. It's only 40 minutes and still it's only 40 minutes and look how fast the time has already passed. And what are these? Are these the bot accounts or what? I guess these bot accounts are not bot, right? I don't know what is this bot. I guess this one also. I guess this one is also bot account. Yeah, but it was like created on 2021. What this account is doing? I've just created this account on 2025 just for streaming, just to since I guess the round is almost being completed. I guess it's gonna take us like 1 minute. So within that minute, I just wanted to tell you one thing also, that the reason behind why I'm doing stream is not only learning editing skills or raising 1.3k dollars fund for my dream fund, but also there's one thing that I do want you to know, that is I also gonna need to improve my conversation skills too, because when as you guys can clearly see the problems I'm kind of facing into speak English conversation skill is be hard, right? Because I sometimes I don't even understand what thing is I'm talking about or speaking about, so I'm a bit sorry about that guys, but I guess I'm also gonna be improving my English conversation skills too. So with that, I guess there are three things that are major concern. The reason why I'm doing stream is that, yeah, the first one is obviously the learning is editing skills I'm gonna be needing on the future on my content creator dream. And also the second one is, I'm sorry guys, because I'm also kind of raising 1.3k dollars for fund from my phone. I don't want you guys to donate me. If you guys don't just donate me, guys. If you do only feel necessary to support me, and that's okay, guys. Since I do need that 1k 1.3k dollars badly, but I don't know that I will be able to raise that much money on this 40 days, because since almost 10% has been already transferred, so today is a day 4, so there's the in between, there's gonna be only 90% is left, right? And also I'm a bit sorry because I wasn't able to upload the videos on time, and also due to some technical issue yesterday, the live wasn't go as per as planned. I was also yesterday live was also I was planning to do for in duration of 1 hour, but I don't know what we study, what technical problems did we gotta need to manage to face. Oh my god, look, the my god, it's almost 251 MB, and here 148 MB. Whoa, damn, bro, these two videos cost. Did I mean this cost these two videos just cost a bit more as compared to this one. This only counting 3.9 KB, but look, for 251 megabytes, 248 megabytes. So I guess these are already downloaded. So let's head to the file. So you guys can clearly see here are the two files that I've just downloaded. So without any wasting time, let's head to the DaVinci Resolve again, and let's import these two for that at first, and after that we'll be learning. I think so. Here's what is this? You say that. Yeah, guys, at first let's watch the video. Okay, I'm not that much convinced you that how he does, but I guess I just kind of forget that thing. Let's watch that guy video properly. So you guys can clearly see the video uploading is almost done. It's saying that is uh up to 9 or 10 minutes later the video is gonna be published officially. I mean to say that the upload of the video is gonna be completed, so you guys can clearly will be able to access the day 2 stream of the challenge that I'm doing for next 40 days straight. So yeah, not only day one has been already published. Right now the day 2 is in process, so hope that the time is gonna do will be a bit fast.
With this media, we need to
I don't know what this is.
Once you find the folder up here, then you can actually project. And so this is a perfect mode to put Resolve in when you don't have any media in your project and you're looking to put some in there. So a little tour of the interface. In the upper left, we have this panel, which is our media storage panel. This is a way to navigate on your system to any media that you want to bring into Resolve. So I'll just navigate to some media here. And once you find the folder up here, then you can actually
any idea what it did just to I'm a bit confused. I guess it just kinda cut up the clip where we just will be able to guide in the thing that how the hell he does he managed to get all these clips right on the okay. Let's see how we'll be doing. Okay, at first let's go to yeah, here I guess he just tell us that this is who column media storage. We will be storing all the media that we will be gonna putting on the clips that will be important for making or editing video. So you just tell that from over here we'll be able to accessing it. Oh, okay, I do get it. So here from where we'll be able to get the thing, right? So result project ACD. I don't know what is this thing. Let's go to login. Where are those two videos that are the sound? Let's see. It's on Lenovo, right? Lenovo. Where is Lenovo option? Lenovo. Where does that Lenovo things go through? I don't know. I think where that thing go. Not this one. This one is in downloads. Don't click see downloads. Downloads. This history is Captures. I don't know what are these things. Lenovo, and over here where will be not this one, not this one too. Not this one also. I don't know where the hell did those files did going to. We are not here seeing the options of what I just say. Okay, from over here. So this is also does gonna provide like all the access, right? So after right now we will have to do this like to focus, like we have to swipe off and swipe down to see all of the preview, right? But when we will be able to swing expand, then it's gonna expand all the things and we'll be able to see all the things, right? Like on Windows. Okay, on Windows. Oh, it's a bit long. Let's take this as a view, right? Downloads. Okay, we will be seeing that thing. Good. I don't know where I. Any idea? I guess let's start the login. Users Lenovo downloads, right? Users Lenovo downloads. Videos. Let's call this. This is so much bit annoying. My God.